ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో రిడక్షన్ ఫార్ములా, దట్ ఈస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ cos to the power of nx dx. In equal to integration of cos to the power of nx dx. See here, for this function there is no direct formula, so convert the given function in terms of 2 so that the value of the given quotient does not change. That is, cos power nx can be written as cos to the power of n minus 1x into cos x dx. See here, the powers are n minus 1 and 1. Here power is n minus 1. For the second term the power is 1. When we add these two terms, minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. The remaining term is n. See here, the question is also same, that is power is n. Now it is in the form of u into v. First term is u and second is v. So we can solve this by using integration of uv dx. See, a formula for this is first function, that is u into integration of v dx minus integration of u dash, that is differentiation of first term into integration of second into dx. Here the value of u is cos to the power of n minus 1x. Cos power n minus 1x and v value is cos x. By using that formula we can solve the given question. Here the formula is u. U means first function, that is cos power n minus 1x as it is. Next it is integration of v dx. Integration of v means second function, second term, that is cos x dx. Integration of cos x is sin x. Sin x minus integration symbol, differentiation of u, that is d by dx of, here u is cos power n minus 1x. Now it is in the form of x to the power of n. D by dx of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Here n value is n minus 1 and x value is cos x. That is, first is n. Here n value is n minus 1. N minus 1 into x. Here x value is cos x. Cos x n minus 1. N is n minus 1. N minus 1. Again there is minus 1. Next, differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. That is n minus 1 cos to the power of n minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2 x minus sin x. This is the differentiation of cos to the power of n minus 1 into x. Next is integration of v. Integration of v means integration of cos x dx, that is sin x into sin x dx, that is equal to cos to the power of n minus 1x sin x. See here, there is two minus signs. One is outside the integration, another one is inside the integration. When we multiply these two signs, that is minus into minus becomes plus sign. Next, n minus 1 I am taking outside the integration because it does not consist of x terms. Next, cos power n minus 2x sin x into sin x is sin square x dx equal to cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 integration of cos power n minus 2x. Here we have to convert sin in terms of cos because the question is in terms of cos x. How we can write sin square x in terms of cos? that is sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. This 1 minus cos square x into dx. Cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1. How to multiply cos to the power of n minus 2x with 1 minus cos square x. That is, first term into 1 is cos power n minus 2x, next minus. Here bases are same, so we can add the powers. Here the powers are n minus 2 and 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled, remaining term is n. This cos power nx into dx. Next, cos power n minus 1x sin x plus, we have to separate these integrations. That is n minus 1 into integration of cos power n minus 2x into dx. Next, plus into minus is minus n minus 1 integration of cos power n x dx. Here in equal to cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1. See, in the question, right hand side is cos power nx. If right hand side is cos power n, here power is n, we have taken as in. Here the power is n minus 2. So we can write this function as n minus 2. Next, minus n minus 1. So this is same as question, integration of cos power nx dx, that is in. So substitute this value, that is in. Here when we transpose that in to the left hand side, this minus sign becomes plus sign. That is in plus n minus 1 into in equal to remaining terms of cos n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Here the common term is in. This in. When we take common term outside, the remaining term in first term is 1 plus n minus 1 in the second term equal to cos to the power of n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. In, here plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled and remaining term is n equal to cos n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. When we transpose this n to the right hand side, it becomes division. That is cos n minus 1x sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n minus 2. Here this is the formula for, here we got the value of in. Here in the question, find cos to the power of 4x dx. In the question, the n value is 4. So we have to substitute n value as 4 in equation 1. That is I4 equal to cos to the power of n minus 1. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1, that is 3x sin x divided by n. N means 4 plus n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by n. N is 4 n minus 2, that is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, cos cube x sin x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here we don't know the value of I2. So again in equation 1, substitute n as 2. That is cos to the power of n is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. That is cos x into sin x divided by n. Here n value is 2 plus n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by n. N is 2 n minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0 equal to cos cube x sin x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 cos x into sin x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here I 0. In the question is in equal to integration of cos power nx dx. Here substitute n value as 0, that is I0 equal to integration of cos power 0 x dx. Any number to the power 0 is 1, that is integration of 1 dx is x. Substitute I0 as x. That is cos cube x sin x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 to the 8. 8 cos x into sin x plus 3 ones are 3 by 4 to the 8 x. This is the formula for integration of cos to the power of 4x dx.